Here's 5 little beakers with the same amount of water, exactly the same amount of water, which is 60 centimeters cube. Now I'm going to add sugar to it. The first beaker, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Second one, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Number 3, 3 teaspoons of sugar. Number 4, 4 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm going to stir, making sure all the sugar is completely dissolved. Making sure they all dissolved. Okay. Right. One reason you see it dissolved completely is just the solution getting transparent, clear. Okay, it take a while. Okay, I hope it's not saturated. Right. It looks okay. So, this one got 5 teaspoons of sugar. So that must taste a lot sweeter. And this one does not taste that sweet. So that's the least sweet solution. And that's the most sweet sugar solution. That means this beaker contains a lot more particles, sugar particles, than this one. So that is dense, we say, because in the same amount of water, you dissolve different amount of sugar, and therefore you have different density. So this one dissolves a lot more, so this solution is not dense, and that's the second one, and that's the third one, fourth, and that's the least dense sugar solution. Okay, that means it contains less sugar particles, that contains the most sugar particles. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is that I'm going to add the food colors into each of these. So I'm going to add, let's say, a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the first one. Second one. Red. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the red. And this one is sky blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this one will be green. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is brownish color. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to stir it. So start making sure the color is evenly spread out. This next one, blue and red. And the last one is this. Right, now I'm going to make a rainbow. Next, we're going to make a rainbow color of solution. Right, I have a test tube and then I have a pipette. So I'm going to have the yellow color first. So have a pipette of yellow color because that's the most dense solution. So that's first, followed by red one. When you pour the red one in, make sure you go drop by drop is the safest way to do it. Drop by drop along the test tube wall. Okay, give it a bit gently let it go. You see the color, there's 2 layers of color. It's very good. Next one, we're going to have a blue. Again, gentle, really gentle, bit by bit, bit by bit, because this color is a bit strong. Right? See the blue? See the blue sit on the top? And then I'm going to have a bit green. Again, gentle along the test tube wall, slow and gentle. See the color? Last one, brown, brownish color. Brown. Here you go. That is my rainbow, a test tube of sugar solution in a rainbow color. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you.